So today is 31st of December, the end of 2020. Last night, Lila was so tired. She did some exercises. I put some exercises on YouTube, and by 8 o'clock she fell asleep by herself. She was so knocked out. And yeah, this morning I had to wake her up at 7:30 because I want her to go to sleep again early, not like very late, so we can have some of me and that time. And what's the plans for today? We don't know where we're gonna be. Are we gonna be here? Are we going to go to my boyfriend's brother? We don't know. So my idea was for me to cook today some cake, to make some cake with Lila. Oops, bless you. To make some cake with Lila, but I have not slept that much. I was awake. I had some insomnia due to the pregnancy. Sometimes I get it, so I didn't sleep much. I had only I woke up like 4 o'clock in the morning, and it was so hard for me to fall asleep again. So yeah, that's what's happening, and let's see what we're gonna do today. Wow, I look a mess. It's like that when you have kids around you and when you're pregnant as well at the same time. So I'm trying to get ready for New Eve. I can't do much because I'm so tired. But I thought I'm gonna do. Oh, my skin is peeling. Look at that side effect of the pregnancy. But anyway, I was at least I'm gonna do a few things. Now I start doing like a special pita bread I want to do, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So I have the base, and then I have done 6 different like lucky dips. I'll put that in the bread, and when people eat it, there will be they will find, some of them will find some of the lucks. That's a tradition for us for New Eve, so we know what we're going to have the next year. So I've put like a new car, health, money, baby. What else did I put? New house. I forgot what else, but I've put 6 different things, and I'll show you the final result when I put them in the bread and when they raise, because the dough needs to raise as well, and when it's cooked as well. What do you want?
Milk with tablet with iced tea.
And what's that you have in there?
Tablet tea.
Why is it just cup of tea? It is iced tea.
It's.
What's wrong with that tea?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know?
We need to buy some milk when we need iced tea.
Yeah. So I've been asking you to go to the shop since in the morning, and what did you tell me?
I wanted to buy some milk for iced tea.
Yes, and you don't want to go to the shop, so how am I supposed to put the milk in there if you don't want to go to shop with me? Are we going to the shop?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Lila, what are we doing now?
We are making cake.
What cake? Chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, here's the ingredients. So we're going to be making cake. So let's hope actually it works out. I'm gonna use some Nutella and some chocolate powder, and I don't have the tray for the baking tray for the cake. I tried to find it in Coop, but they didn't have it, so hopefully the one in the oven actually works out. If not, we're just going to make it into a brownie. What are you doing?
We are making cake.
6 spoons of oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Wait. Don't shake it. We're gonna mix it. Okay. Put the chocolate. The whole thing. Yeah. There you go. In?
Yeah.
Okay. All gone? Okay.
Oh.
Wait.
Yeah.
No, your daddy will kill me. Stop it. No, don't touch the chocolate anymore. Otherwise you're going down. Yeah? Not touching the chocolate anymore. That's it. That's it, no more. If daddy's watching, I'm not giving her any more chocolate. Or mommy.
No.
No. No more chocolate.
No.
Except the cake tonight. But it's New Eve, come on. Okay, let's see what's left to add.
What's the cake?
Ah,
Cake.
yeah,
It's the lip. Look there.
yeah.
The lip.
So the cake mix is ready, but I doubled the portion and the tray I have from the oven is quite big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook my pita bread, or in Bulgaria we call it with the lucky dip I've done. That's the one, and it raised so well. I've just added some egg yolk on the top so it can look really nice and shiny, and I will cook that. And after that I'll wash the tray and I will put my cake mix in there. So I'll keep you posted. Let's see what happens. So this is my pizza. And now I'm going to put the cake in. Okay, what have you got for next year?
Money.
Money. Okay,
I
he
ain't got
started. No, you just brought some. Don't say that.
Did I?
Yeah. And yeah, he started with that. And then that's the cake. I just top it up with Nutella. And Lila is already having the cake. Lila, what are you doing?
I'm eating cake.
Is it nice? Yeah.